Impact of space storms on Earth. Space storms are powerful natural phenomena caused by solar activity, especially when there are large energy explosions, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections (CMS). These phenomena not only affect the Earth's atmosphere, but can also have far-reaching impacts on technology and human life. In this article, we will delve into the effects of space storms on the atmosphere, power grids, telecommunications technology, and measures to cope with these impacts. Impact on the atmosphere. The atmosphere is an important protective layer for the Earth, helping to block ionizing radiation from space. When space storms occur, charged particles from the sun can penetrate the atmosphere, causing abnormal temperature and pressure phenomena. This interaction can lead to the increase of phenomena such as ionospheric winds and ionospheric turbulence. Ionospheric turbulence. When particles from space storms collide with molecules in the ionosphere, this creates a change in the electron density, causing turbulence. This turbulence affects the frequency and stability of telecommunications signals and GPS systems, causing these systems to not function properly. Aurora. One of the most fascinating phenomena that space storms create is the aurora. When these energetic particles interact with the atmosphere, they create sparkling lights in the regions near the poles. The aurora is not only beautiful, but also an important indicator of the activity of the Earth's magnetic field, helping scientists study changes in the atmosphere. Impact on the power grid. The power grid is the backbone of the modern energy infrastructure, providing electricity to millions of people. However, space storms can cause serious problems for this system. Induced currents. When a geomagnetic storm occurs, it can create induced currents in power lines. These currents can lead to overloads and failures in electrical equipment, causing widespread power outages. A typical example is the geomagnetic storm event in 1989, when the entire province of Quebec, Canada lost power for nearly 9 hours due to this incident. Equipment damage. Equipment such as transformers and power transformers can be damaged by the surge current. Repairing and replacing these devices is not only costly, but can also take a long time, affecting the lives of millions of people. Economic costs. Incidents caused by space storms not only affect consumers, but also increase costs for power utilities. The cost of maintaining, repairing, and upgrading equipment can increase significantly, affecting the profitability and competitiveness of these companies. Impact on telecommunications technology. Telecommunications technology is an essential part of modern life, affecting the way we communicate, work, and live. Space storms can cause many problems for this sector. Service disruption. Strong space storms can cause disruptions in telecommunications signals, affecting services such as television, internet, and telephone. This disruption is not only inconvenient for users, but can also lead to economic losses for service providers. Interference. When space storms occur, interference can increase, reducing signal quality in cellular and satellite networks. This is especially serious in precision applications, such as aviation navigation, where signal accuracy is extremely important. Impact on new technologies. With the development of 5G technology and other advanced telecommunication systems, the resilience of these systems to space storms also needs to be considered. Failure to prepare for the impacts from space storms can lead to failure in the deployment of these new technologies. Countermeasures. To mitigate the impact of space storms, agencies such as NASA and NOAA have developed space storm monitoring and prediction technologies. Careful monitoring of solar activity helps us to be better prepared for impending space storms and minimize damage. Prediction and warning. Modern monitoring systems are capable of predicting space storm events, providing timely information to power and telecommunication companies. This allows them to be better prepared to minimize damage. Improving system design. It is important to design power grids and telecommunication technologies that are resilient to space storm interference. Scientists are researching and developing new technologies to enhance the resilience of these systems. Education and awareness. It is necessary to raise awareness of the impacts of space storms among the public and among policymakers. This understanding will help stakeholders better prepare for the challenges that space storms bring.